Attention all investors. If you're currently using Robinhood, you might want to rethink your strategy. Did you know that you could be missing out on free money? That's right, I've discovered a broker that is giving away up to €3 in free stocks just for signing up. And the best part? No deposit is required. Many people believe that Robinhood is a free platform, but they are mistaken. You may be unknowingly paying in hidden ways such as order flow, data selling, and slow execution. But fear not, because I have found the solution. Webull. Webull offers zero commission and zero account fees. And right now they are giving away 10 to 20 free stocks valued between $30 to $300 for simply opening an account. Imagine receiving up to $2,400 in your pocket just for taking advantage of this incredible offer. Here's the simple breakdown. The average free stock value is $120. With 20 free stocks, that's $2,400 for you to invest with. It's basically like getting paid to invest. To get started, follow these easy steps. Click the link in the description. It's my referral to download the Webull app, which only takes 2 minutes. Verify your ID similar to any other banking process. Almost. Deposit $0. Yes, $0. Within 3 to 7 days, you will see those free stocks hit your account. Just like I did last month. I received 12 free stocks, including Apple, Tesla, and Amazon, which are now valued at $340. You can even sell them after 30 days for a 100% profit. While Robinhood may not offer free stocks and sells your trades, Webull does the opposite by providing free stocks, better charts, and including paper trading. Plus, if you use my referral link, you'll receive an additional 5 free stocks, adding over $500 in value. Please note that these are real stocks, not cash, and their value can fluctuate. But rest assured, Webull is SIPC insured, up to $500,000, making it safer than stashing cash under your mattress. So don't wait any longer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Click the link below, sign up in under 5 minutes. 3. Comment Webull below, and I will send you a bonus PDF guide on how to turn free stocks into $1,000 cash. Over 1.2 million people have already claimed their free stocks, and this promotion ends. Once it hits 2 million, don't be the one who misses out on this incredible chance to grow your investment portfolio. Don't forget to like this video if you're ready to claim your free stocks, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Stay tuned for my next video, how I turned $100 into $200 in 30 days. No crypto. See you there.